Have you ever followed a baking recipe exactly and still wondered, why did my cake come out dry? Why didn't my cookies rise? Well, it all comes down to the ingredients and knowing what they actually do in your batter. In today's episode of FrioBakes, we're cracking the code behind common baking ingredients. Let's turn your confusion into confidence. First up, flour. It's the backbone of baking. When flour mixes with water, it forms gluten, a stretchy network that gives baked goods their structure. There are many types. All-purpose flour, perfect for cookies, muffins, and quick breads. Bread flour, higher in protein, ox more gluten, chewy bread. Cake flour, lower protein, softer texture, perfect for fluffy cakes. Pro tip, don't overmix your batter. More mixing, more gluten, tough texture. Next is sugar, the obvious sweetener, right? But it's so much more than that. Sugar helps baked goods retain moisture. It tenderizes and adds color through caramelization. Types of sugar: granulated sugar, standard sweetness, crisp cookies. Brown sugar adds moisture and a hint of molasses flavor. Powdered sugar, used in icings and frostings for smooth texture. And yes, sugar affects how much your cake rises too. Eggs are the superheroes of baking. They bind ingredients, add richness, moisture, and help your recipe rise. Egg whites provide structure and can be whipped to create volume. Egg yolks add fat, color, and that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Ever wondered why some cakes are yellow and rich? It's the yolks doing their job. Let's talk fats, mainly butter and oil. They add tenderness, richness, and flavor. Butter adds flakiness and a creamy taste. Use cold butter for pie crusts and warm butter for cake batters. Oil makes baked goods extra moist, especially in muffins and banana bread. Tip: if you want a moist, soft texture that lasts for days, oil might be your best friend. How does your cake rise from a wet mess to a fluffy masterpiece? Thank your leavening agents. There are three main ones. Baking soda reacts with acids like yogurt or vinegar to produce carbon dioxide bubbles. Baking powder already has acid inside, just needs moisture and heat. Yeast, a living organism that eats sugar and produces gas, ideal for bread. Warning, don't confuse baking soda and powder. They're not the same thing. Liquids like milk, water, or yogurt hydrate your ingredients and help the texture come together. More liquid, thinner batter, softer baked goods. Less liquid, denser result. Milk also helps with browning thanks to lactose. So yes, milk matters. Last but never least, the flavor boosters. Salt enhances all other flavors. Don't skip it. Vanilla extract adds aroma and warmth. Spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger add personality to your recipe. Tip: use pure vanilla extract instead of artificial for the best taste. Now you know what each ingredient does in your baking. You've just leveled up. Understanding ingredients is the key to creating amazing recipes or fixing the ones that flopped. No more guessing. You're baking with intention now. In episode 3, we'll show you how to measure ingredients the right way and avoid beginner disasters. Hit subscribe, tap the bell, and join the FrioBakes family. Until then, bake it simple, bake it sweet,